Hello everyone, here is Vintage Lego Toys. And I have here today the actual first Lego set that ever made. It is the automatic binding bricks from 1949. And you can see it here. It is a really beautiful box art. Because in the middle you have these two kids are playing with the bricks, and on the other side you can see the different variations of buildings that you can build with the stones. Here inside the box you can see few different stones. And you probably recognized that these bricks here, the blue and the yellow bricks, are not the official bricks of this set. They are the newer Moorston bricks with a logo inside. You can barely read it. But these here, these yellowish stones, are real stones from the actual set. You can maybe see it, but they are a little bit marbled, so you can see different variations of color in the same stone. That was a typical thing for that time. And these green stones here are also some of the original stones from this set. You maybe can see it, they are a little bit bended from the time, but this is also a normal thing for such an old brick. These bricks have a little gap here that you can put a window on the side. So you can build structures like this on the box art that you can see here with doors and windows. About the material of the box, it is a bit special, but you can see here in the inside it is made out of wood, and the lid is made out of a material that is a mix with this mix of wood and cardboard, I believe. It gives a very special feeling because it is really a hard thing. It is not like the newer cardboard boxes of Lego that you can easily pull in and rip it apart. This one is actual real cardboard. So, I hope you enjoyed that video about the automatic binding bricks, one of the first Lego sets that were produced, and I hope we see us.